What do you get when you take one of Lance's most popular RVs, the 1575, and you upgrade it? Here's a hint. You get one of these, and I'm going to show you right now. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. I am standing inside the remade version of one of Lance RV's most popular floor plans. It was the 1575. And Lance, being made in California with extremely strict regulations, they took what people liked about the 1575, listened to what they wanted added to it, and increased it. Welcome to the 1875. This thing is awesome. 23 feet long. You're looking at 5,200 pounds dry. Has the modified Murphy system up front. But what I like about Lance, for example, right here, the European style dual pane windows with the double style shades. So if you just want the net, because you can open that front cap window and get a breeze in, but you don't want the bugs, you do have the sliding shade there, or if you want the privacy, you do have the privacy shade down below. But this is, for being, 23 feet long, an active couples coach. But you could sleep 4 people in here, and I'll show you how in just a minute. But you got the jackknife sofa up here. Oversized, plushed, and comfortable, because since it is Lance, you're going to get things a little bit more stylish, a little bit bigger, a little bit better. I mean, just take a look at my windows. Right here on the campsite, look at that decorative valance. Look at the surround that I have for my shades, because you get doubles here. They're not knocking around the coach while in transit. You get a couple of options. Everything in here is going to feel like a luxury airliner or a luxury ship, and that's what I like about Lance. Plus, everything is made on a CNC machine, so all the edges are rolled. Everything is laminated. You got 4 inches. We'll talk a little bit more about that, the dual Asdale. I'll tell you more about that when we get outside. But let's check this bad boy out right now. You'll notice that both on the camp and the off-camp side, you have a nightstand space with USB 110 and 12 volt. And over here on the camp side, you even get the Go Power controller to check and see where your battery is, because you do get a solar panel. You also get a solar charge controller. You even have the drawer storage, solid wood, full extension, reinforced on the ball bearing guides. The decorative European stylings, not only on the pulls, but also on, look at this. You even have the inlay for all of your cabinetry in here. Ward storage on both sides. You even have supported armrests for your jackknife sofa. So here, let me move this out the way. And I'll take the jackknife sofa down for you so you can see the Murphy. So you can kind of see how you and your loved one are going to enjoy queen size bed up front. Make sure I don't hit these lights. Boom. There you go. So you go from having the sofa to having the bed, and now you're kind of like the standard. Over here on the off-camp side is going to be your privacy curtain, as well as some pretty nifty little features. You do have a JBL flip that comes with this unit. You also got the Air Excel Max vent fan to go along with your Truma AC and hot water system. You got a 15K BTU Truma AC on this one. Up there is your solar charge controller, and of course the controls for your dinette slide to go along with your privacy curtain. But windows on both sides, just pretty sweet, pretty dope. And check this out. Norcold fridge freezer combo. Now Norcold, you're thinking, oh, does that run on gas and electric? What if I told you you also could flip the reefer to 12 volt if you wanted to? Bam! Flip that on. Now, cut this on, because I'm currently using a battery box for this unit, and you got 12 volt power for your fridge. How cool is that? Giving you some options to make that camp life just a little bit better. And that's what Lance is about, giving you a well-built coach that has a ton of options for you. Now, let's move that out the way. Move this out the way. Hey, I'm doing this live for you, so I want you to kind of see what you may go through. European style thermoform cabinetry all the way throughout. You try to go buy these at a hardware store, yeah, they're going to be expensive. These are the spring-mounted or struts-assisted hideaway hinges. And I love it because that not only did they give you those, they gave you 3 for each cabinet. So you're really not going to have to worry about this thing falling. Got the shelf here, which you can remove if you need to. Once again, giving you some more functionality. Microwave there. Decorative backsplash on my campsite kitchen with yet another window here. I got the Undermounted stainless steel bowl style sink with the high-rise faucet and pull-down sprayer. I'm a fan of that. All with solid surface countertops. Beautiful and decorative recessed 3-burner cooktop with glass cover, grill grate. Oversized suburban oven. Got some more storage there underneath if you want it. And I like kind of how they do their storage. They give you options with like the silverware tray, just the pull-out trays if you want to use it for spices. Things aren't just knocking around inside of your beautiful Lance 1875 coach. Isn't that the new Yellowstone spinoff, 1875? Was that the first one?
I have no idea.
With Tim McGraw, wasn't that it? I don't know, I can't remember. All right, we'll get to that later. 45, 40, and 40 on your tanks, but this is your convenience center. Check your battery, check all your tanks. You also have an enclosed and heated underbelly, as well as enclosed and heated valves on this unit, so very nice to have. Come along to the rear campsite. Mirror on my solid wood door leading me into my motorhome styled bathroom. Got the high-rise bowl here, got the shelf with the vessel sink. Big fan of that. Corner mounted medicine cabinet with the decorative light up top. Got my towel hanger, some good countertop space. Got my toilet paper holder there, some storage, and of course, shower surround. With the skylight, the herringbone, I got the curved bar here to give me some more space, and my shower curtain, which is antimicrobial. I got the adjustable shower head here too, with the Shower Miser water system, which just kind of helps recycle that water so you don't use as much if you want to take showers. Even gave you a soap holder here to go along with one on the wall. Upgraded flooring, easy to clean, plus decorative. I like how for 2023 they gave us lighter flooring. Now let's check out the rest of the 1875, the rear wall and the off-camp dinette here. One of the things people wanted changed from the 1575 was they wanted a bigger TV. So you get a 40-inch Jensen Smart TV. You got all your connections over there. You got the component shelf here, plus the JBL Hi-Fi system with booster. I love the fact that you get the little subwoofer there. Got your volume controls for that there. It is Bluetooth, so if somebody wants to watch TV in here, you want to go outside, you got that JBL Flip, you could, Bluetooth your cell phone into that. InnoFlame fireplace here, which is electric, great for knocking the chill off the air, but that Truma heat system in here really does a good job of keeping this coach warm. 54 by 78 dinette over here on the off-camp side. Once again, with the windows, open those up for as much light or as much air as you want, but the thing that I really like that Lance does, from the gloss that we have here on the slide, really making this look high-end and European style, because it is high-end, to the decorative styling on my lights right here. Got the dinette, it's U-shaped. You got the lockable storage underneath, which is on drawer guides. Deep, good storage. You're ready to close it in, push the button. Now it's not going to be knocking around while you're in transit. And the fact that they also use smaller and lighter slides, making this coach a little bit easier to manage. The slide is on top of the floor, which is reinforced, and right there underneath is where your Truma ducts are going to be. Got another little 110 outlet there, so if you need to plug something in, you absolutely can. And the skylight is a vent, 15K BTU Truma AC right there. I mean, just it's no wonder that this was one of their more popular floor plans back when it was the 1575, and they only upgraded it as the 1875. So very well done. Look, I even got my little dimmer switch for my lights right here, so I can set the mood. All right, well, let's set the mood outside and show you what we got there. Come on. So here we're on the outside of the all-new Lance 1875. Let's start right up front with something that is extremely awesome. You got the Lippert Smart Jack. This has hitch memory, so all you got to do is put in where you hook up, and it's going to remember every time when you set up or hook up to tow away. Not to mention it's got auto retract, got the battery monitor right there, the whole nine. This is an awesome hitch. Got 3 20-pound LP tanks back here, powder-coated single frame, very sturdy for this coach. Once again, extremely well built. Front cap right there with the privacy window, which does open up. It is a European dual pane window, just like all the windows on this coach and the vents. Come around to the campsite. This is something I thought was pretty cool. They gave you a third LP tank and put your battery boxes on these slide outs on each side, not only making it easier to access, but locking it away from the elements and even vented. Got your 20 amp quick connect, so if you want to get the briefcase to trickle charge those batteries, you absolutely can. You also have the option in your command center to switch from regular wet cell to lithium batteries, which is a very nice feature there. And you do have that solar panel on top. Magnetic latches on your anti-slam luggage doors. And the thing I like that they did, these used to be plastic, so having the fact that they put the steel Moride cases in here really, I think, makes this a whole heck of a lot better for storage, because you're not digging deep into the storage compartment to get what you need. It slides in and out, making it easy to access. You also have a light right here and your stabilizer jacks for your front and your rear, which are the PSXs. They even gave you a table, because Lance is like, hey, why not enjoy the outside? Got the steel fold-up steps leading me into the main entry point right here. And what's cool about the Lance and their construction, this is a 4-inch thick wall. And let's see, Aaron, I'll tell you what, swap with me and check this out. 4-inch thick, because you got double Asdel on this, on the inside and on the outside, making this a 4-season coach. Once again, please use common sense when I say that. Albuquerque and Buffalo are going to be two different variations of 4-season. But having that Asdel in here, graphite composite, no off-gassing, no moisture absorption, really does a good job of protecting this coach, but also insulating it. And you got a 4-inch thick coach. Got your fresh tank fill right there. Double axle on those aluminum rims with the TST tire pressure monitoring system. I love how that comes on here, as well as the Road Armor suspension, which really helps stabilize this coach. Lockable power connections here, as well as cables. So you got 12-volt USB and your 110 outlet here. And you got the M mount, which is just you slide it on the back of the TV and you can bring it out here. I wouldn't bring that 40-inch TV out here. I'd probably get another one. But you do have the scissor arm awning with the LED floodlight here. Another spot for your JBL flip speaker. Heated and enclosed underbelly, heated and enclosed tanks. You got the 4x4 sewer hose storage there. You got the 2-inch receiver, which I think has a 300-pound capacity on this. You know, great for hauling the bikes, the wood, you know, maybe even a portable generator if you want to. Solid ladder mounted here with a 250-pound capacity on that to get on the fully walkable roof. You got the Bluetooth observation camera there. Worm groove slide. I mean, you even got the sealed windows on the slide. Finished off storage here. I tell you, it's just the attention to detail, the extra little things that they put inside of the Lance coaches, to me, make them stand out. You got a slide topper. You got outside shower with hot and cold. You got your 30-amp plug there, cable connection, city water fill, black tank flush, back of the Truma hot water heater, and you even got a little steel storage box. And check this out. You got the toy lock. So this is a retractable cable that allows you to lock your, you know, bikes, chairs, whatever. So you don't want anybody messing with your stuff, they won't. Portable generator box storage. This to me is awesome, because if you do bring a portable generator, you don't have to leave it out at the campsite. It's already vented. This is lockable. So you got a space right there. It's even got the nice interior and even the tie downs to keep it in place. So great option if you need it. Other battery box like we had on the campsite right here, and your info panel. Now, gross vehicle weight on this one is 7,000 pounds. Dry weight, you're looking at roughly 5,200 pounds. You're 23 feet long, could probably sleep, I think, 4 people with that 54, about the 58 by 74 dinette in there, and the queen bed up front. But I mean, this is a couples coach. Very popular floor plan back when it was the 1575. Now that it's the 1875, it's just been upgraded. And upgraded is not a term you use loosely when you're talking about Lance campers, because of the quality that they do with everything. So if you're that couple that wants, hey man, we want a base camp that feels like a luxury airliner or luxury yacht, Lance is the way to go. If 23 feet, 5,200 pounds dry is what you're looking for, then the 1875 is your sweet spot. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you like about it, what you not like about it, because we love getting your feedback. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify too, so next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young. Thank you for tuning in for the Lance 1875. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon.